everyone, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some headphones for a sports helmet. So for a sports helmet. So I'll show you guys what all it comes with here as we open it up. So these are them here. So these will fit inside of the helmet like that. And then we should be able to hear whatever we have it connected up to. And it comes with a little pouch as well. And what is this? Oh, I guess if you don't have the helmet, you could probably just wrap this around your ears somehow and get them going in there. It looks like they're little pouches for it on the sides there. So I'll set this up and we'll give it a try here in a second. Okay, I have it on here. I have the little headphones. I fed them through the inside here and it sounds really good. It kind of, did it, it's Bluetooth connects up. So that's good. And then you put on the helmet over your head and it will go inside there. But let me show you guys here. Let me take that off for a second. But I'll show you guys. There's a little pocket in there, like with space, like where your ears would normally hear at them. And that's where the little nuggets kind of fit inside of there to hold it in. So this is really cool. A nice little device and sounds good and seems to work good. It recharges on USB-C, I saw. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.